So, good afternoon, grade 7.
Good afternoon,
Good, sir.
sir.
Okay. Wala naman. Okay, so our lesson for this afternoon is describing what it means to measure. Ayan.
What will we measure?
So, describing what it means to measure. So, measurement.
Sure.
Measurement.
Sir,
So,
what-
measurement is a process of comparing an unknown quantity to a standard known quantity. So its many practical applications show how mathematics is relevant and useful in our life. So starting with non-standard units of measurement. Okay. So life without the ruler. So dati, how far is your dining area from your bedroom without using any using any ruler or meter stick or something like, anong tawag dito? So noon ba meron na ba silang ruler?
Yes.
Noong unang panahon.
Wala.
Ruler? Wala. How about meter stick? Wala.
No.
Tape measure.
No.
Di ba? Wala din. So, before, they are using the non-standard units of measure. So, ang ginagamit lang nila are their body parts.
Yes, body parts.
Ayan. So, since time began, people have always felt the need to measure things around them. So, for ancient civilizations like the Babylonian and Egyptian, it was very important to know the areas of fields. Tama? So, mga
yes. Pyramid.
The distance between two locations, the number of their livestock, and so on. Marami pang iba without any using measurements or without using any measuring tools. Tama? So, however, there was no accuracy in the way things were measured then. So, syempre, yung kamay natin, for example, yung kamay mo, kung pinasukan niya ito, yung bata, pares ba sila ng kamay?
No.
Diba? So wala accuracy. Sabi niya, isang daliri ko lang yan, sabi niya. Pero yung bata, ganito lang kalit yung daliri ng bata. So hindi na pantay. Okay? So there is no accuracy or hindi accurate. Okay? So distance were judged by time, by eye, or by pace and sizes. Were compared in terms of stones, trees, and other objects common to their surroundings. Okay. So the units of measurement used in ancient times were chosen for convenience rather than accuracy. So mas ginagawa nila kung ano yung mas okay sa kanila kaysa sa accuracy or kung mas accurate ba or kung tama ba yung sukat. So historical records indicate that first units of length were based on people's hands, feet, and arms. So the hand, span, yung ganyan, span, foot, and cubit. So ang cubit is ito. So
what's the cubit?
A cubit. Appear in early records of Babylonian and Egyptian. So our Filipino ancestors, yung mga nunuman natin, on the other hand, use dangkal, dipa, ganyan yung dipa nila, hakbang, talampakan, or the foot din lang, and dakot. I don't know what is dakot. So ayan. So many of these non-standard units of measure have now become standardized. For instance, a hand, which is used to measure horses, is now equivalent to 4 inches. Ayan. So yung hand daw is 4 inches. So ito, hanggang dito, that is 4 inches. Sabi nila, yun na yung naging parang pinaka-standard. Okay? So a foot naman, yung paa, now means 12 inches or katumbas na siya ng isang ruler. Tama? Okay?
Yes.
A yard, which used to mean the distance from the king's nose to the tip of the middle finger of his outstretched arm. is now equivalent to 6 feet. Ayan. So, yung hand natin before, that is 4 inches. Yung isang
4
foot,
inches.
that is B, that would be 12 inches. Yung from the nose of the king hanggang yung dito niya sa middle, yan ay 36 inches or 6 feet daw. And
Yes.
4 kernels of corn, yung 4 na butil ng mais ay equivalent sa 1 inch. So yung isang yard naman, land an ox could plow in a day, that is 4,840 square yards. So as time passed, the systems of measurement develop further in response to the need of real-life situations. So the building of the pyramids in Egypt, tama? So kung walang measurement dati, paano nila nagawang triangle yon?
Drawing.
So prompted the need to develop formulas for the volume of pyramids. The Inca, Maya, and Aztec lived in rugged terrains and mountains. So they developed a system of measures to help them lay out direct highways across mountains. So lahat ng yan may measurement. So napapansin niyo ba, bakit sa Baguio pa liko-liko?
Oh.
Di ba? Napapansin niyo yun? Bakit hindi na lang straight?
Because they're on mountains.
Kasi nga, may measurement yun para hindi. Kasi mathematicians are also scientists. Noon. Kasi nga, di ba, astronomers, di ba? They measure they measure using only their hands, something like that. So, yung pag ganun nila sa yung alam niyo nakikita niyo yung pag ganun pa lang, yung ganun yung measure kung nahanap na nila yung east, southwest, yung moon, yung stars, they are using their hands. So it is also called measurements. Ayan. So eventually, as commerce and trade flourished, people realized the need to have a common units to facilitate communication about size, quantity, and so on. So they prompted the development of the standard systems of measure. So meron tayong English system of measurement
and metric.
And so that will be further what do you call this one? Discuss next meetings na.
Sir, he looks
dito
like
muna
you.
Tayo mag-focus.
He looks like you.
What?
Page 2.
Who? The what do you call this one? Ito? Gabriel Mouton?
Yeah.
Okay. So, your task today, so that is already our lesson for this afternoon, I should say. So, using non-standard units of measure without using your calculator, using your tools, measuring tools. Lahat ba kayo may dining area?
Yes.
Lahat kayo may bedroom?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the question. How far is the dining area from your bedroom? So you need to answer it without using a ruler, meter stick, tape measure, or other measuring device. Ganyan talaga, pwedeng. Di ba meron tayong hand? Meron tayong, what do you call this one? Dangkal. Meron tayong ganito. Meron tayong ganyan, di pa? Meron tayong foot.
So we can write
how far your dining area from your bedroom?
Paa.
Feet. So, you need to measure it and send it on or comment it on Edmodo. So, I will be posting this video together with the question.
I-comment na lang namin yan.
Yes, bilangin nyo lang kung ilang paa or kung ilang so yung ancient naman na mga ancestors natin, they use talaga naman that one. Ayun,
How
no?
many years?
Our Philippine ancestors, on the other hand, use dangkal di pa hakbang. So, ilang hakbang papunta sa
Sir, this is
ilang
the
feet?
cubic. This
Mahirap naman pag
is
ito susukatin mo yung ano, di ba? And so this is the question. Answer the question without using any ruler, meter, stick. So how far is the dining area from your bedroom and how did you
2
use
feet.
it? So how did you measure it? Okay? So yun lamang. So yun lamang ang ating measurement or non-standard units. So measurement for non-standard units. So
Okay.
measure it now. I will be posting this video together with the question on Edmodo. You need to answer
Okay.
it, okay? And you need to measure worksheet. So yung worksheet natin madali lang kasi that is only conversion of
Headache.
scientific notation. Okay?
Bababoy.
Okay, so yun. Oh, tapos na?
Bababoy.
Okay, so yun lamang.